So Thing 12 is interactives, and it is very important for students to be able to interact with each other and with the teacher and their parents. And they should also be able to interact in a way that they understand. So if I am a visual learner, I'm going to want to learn visually in order for me to be able to understand. I'm going to need to read something. I'm going to need to be able to actually see it on paper. And these interactives that I have found that I will go through with you are very helpful for students with all types of learning. So the first one is Quizlet. And as you can see, I'm not sure if you've used Quizlet, but I have multiple Quizlet sites. So, or, excuse me, cards. Uh, excuse me. So you go to your study sets and you can create your own. So here's me. You go down here and say I am studying for my Spanish test. So you click on it, and there's all types of games. You can do learning, flashcards, write, spelling, test, matching, and gravity games. And you get to type in, I missed nephew 3 times. So I need to work on that one. You can star it. You can also listen to it, and you can create it. You can also search some. So if I'm taking let's go with geometry. Type in geometry, it's going to come up with a bunch of different tests with different topics and things like that that you can use. Another one is spellingcity.com. So you do need to log in, but there's simple games. So like let's create a list. So Bill, Tom, Bob, and John. Oh, let's see if that works. Okay. So I need to learn how to spell those. So you pick an activity, so you want to spell it, you want to write it, you want to do phonics, learning how to sound it out, or vocabulary. Let's click on this. So it's going to take you through this little video, little game. So that was really nice for the students that need to be able to hear it. That talks them through how to spell, different things like that. Edgenuity is another good one. You can see it's usually typically for the older kids here, but um, they have a bunch of different websites within this one website. They have a lot of resources, support if you ever need help, solutions. So it does say for elementary and up. It even goes like to summer school, student athletes, and that's got courses and curriculums that you can use, test readiness skills, and different things like that. Another good one if students are very into history is throughouthistory.com. So you can see along here that they've got posts, they've got lots and lots of categories, comments, and then different topics that maybe students might be interested in if they're interested in history and want to learn more about it. So that is the end of Thing 12.